Developed nations have created modern machines capable of performing the work of 1,000 people in a single hour, or even machines powerful enough to bore right through the earth. Their operational capabilities surpass those of any other colossal machine in the world. Today, I will introduce you to some of these remarkable machines. This vehicle is designed to navigate through any enemy territory and can obliterate obstacles in its path. It deploys a massive 280-meter-long cable that triggers a powerful explosion upon contact with the ground, instantly destroying any buried landmines. It can churn through the soil to a depth of about 1.5 feet. The machine was primarily built to ensure the safe passage of other vehicles by clearing a path for them as it moves. It is designed specifically for military vehicle operations in hostile environments. This is the most advanced robot ever invented. It can perform tasks just like a human, or perhaps even more complex and challenging ones. The robot can leap, execute a 360-degree spin, and land back on its feet. It can climb stairs and detect obstacles in its path. Most amazingly, it creates a 3D map of its surroundings as it moves, allowing it to determine the most efficient route. It is also capable of detecting humans. Consequently, while it might attack other targets, it never harms people. It is anticipated that the U.S. will deploy such robots in future combat zones. It is often jokingly said that if this machine isn't stopped, it might drill right through the center of the Earth. While that won't actually happen, it is capable of drilling to a depth of 328 feet, a feat unmatched by any other machine on the planet. This machine is typically used for piling work in large-scale construction or for excavation in mining operations. However, operating this monstrous machine consumes approximately 100 liters of fuel per hour, though its operational capability far outweighs this fuel consumption. Although it may look unusual, it is essentially a drone. Such drones are typically used in warfare, and their specific design is intended to achieve high speeds. Remarkably, they can travel at speeds of around 320 kilometers per hour. Equipped with motion-detecting sensor cameras, the drone can spot even well-hidden enemies. It can autonomously map the surrounding area during operation, allowing it to complete its mission even without network connectivity. Furthermore, it is designed to run for approximately 10 hours on a single charge. Most surprisingly, the drone is capable of carrying missiles, meaning a single unit is sufficient to destroy an enemy base. This machine can shred anything in its path into pieces. It was primarily designed to cut up recyclable materials. It features a powerful blade capable of slicing through 6-inch thick steel. Powered by a massive 1,750 horsepower engine, the entire machine weighs around 240 tons. It is so powerful that it can shred approximately 1 ton of steel per minute. Typically, tires from smaller vehicles are cut into small pieces for recycling. However, this specific machine is used to recycle massive tires. It weighs approximately 21,056 kilograms and is capable of recycling tires that weigh up to a ton. Removing the internal steel rings is usually the biggest challenge, but this machine extracts them by applying a force of around 10 tons. It then cuts the massive tire into smaller pieces. Tasks that would be nearly impossible for humans to perform manually can be completed by this machine in just 5 minutes. While you may have seen workers making bricks at a kiln, you likely haven't seen a machine like this before. It is capable of producing about 12,000 bricks per hour, reducing the need for human labor by nearly 70-fold. Although such brick-making machines are common in developed nations, they are rarely seen in our country. Operating this machine is incredibly simple. Once loaded with soil and started, it churns out rows of bricks. This massive machine is utilized for a variety of tasks. Its extendable arm, reaching up to 300 feet, can easily access areas that are otherwise unreachable by humans. It is used for drainage work, clearing debris from drains or water bodies, and excavation. The machine is powered by a massive 1,200 horsepower engine. Its long arm can easily accomplish tasks that other machines simply cannot handle. In our country, digging a 1-kilometer canal or constructing a wide drain can take months. However, the U.S. possesses a machine capable of excavating wide drains and canals. It can dig a 1-kilometer canal in just 7 days. Even more impressive is the ability to adjust the settings according to your needs, controlling the length and specifying the desired width of the canal or drain. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. You can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode. Thank you.